Hey guys, in this video we will see our first practical example of Azure Event Grid. So we will create a custom topic and then we will publish custom events to this topic. So basically what is our requirement? So again we will create our custom topic and then we will publish our custom events to this custom topic. And then we will subscribe a logic app to this custom topic. So basically whenever an event is published to this custom topic, our logic app should get executed. So guys, when we say logic app, it is nothing but HTTP request received trigger. So again, that means it is a URL. That means it is a web hook. So in simple words, when we publish events to this custom topic, this URL will get executed, and in turn this URL it will execute our logic app. And then when our logic app gets executed, our workflow will get executed. So for example, when this logic app gets executed, of course we will receive that custom event in that logic app. Then maybe we will parse that event and we will process that event. So let's say we will save that event information in our SQL DB. Now guys, what will be our custom event, right? So see, this will be our custom event, and please follow this highlighted section. So it has this data and username is Harshal Jain and department is IT. So let's assume a new user record has been added. So again we will create our custom topic. So guys, in simple words, consider custom topic, it is nothing but just a URL or endpoint. Then we will create webhook as event subscription. So again this webhook also it is some other URL, and this webhook or this URL it represents our logic app. Then we will publish our custom event to this custom topic, and finally of course this logic app it will receive that event and that logic app will get triggered. Okay, so I hope you have understood the requirement. Now guys, before we go to the Azure portal, make sure that you have registered Event Grid service in your subscription. So what I mean is, see guys, we are in Azure portal and we can simply open our subscription. Let's open it. Now on the left hand side, settings, resource providers, and here if I say Event Grid, guys, can you see it? It has been already registered for me. So make sure for you it is also registered. Otherwise Event Grid trigger will not work. Okay. And now let's create our custom topic. So under search I will say Event Grid. So let's click on this Event Grid. And let's go down, and guys, can you see this topic? So it is for custom events. So here let's say create. Let's select resource group. Let's give name to this custom topic, and now let's select region. Next, here I will say review plus create, and then create. So our custom topic has been created, and let's say go to resource, and guys, here we can add subscriptions to this topic, right? And obviously the subscription it will be webhook, that is URL, that is logic app HTTP request received trigger, right? So I will duplicate this tab, home, and here let's say logic app. I will say add. I will select hosting plan as multi-tenant. Select. Let's select resource group. Let's give name to this logic app. Let's select region. and now here I will say review plus create and then create. Now let's open our resource and under development tools, logic app designer, and again guys, the trigger is going to be HTTP request received trigger, right? So I will say HTTP request. Let's select this, and as of now basically that's it. Let's just collapse and let's say save. And now we must have that URL generated. So let's open this trigger, and yes, see this HTTP URL. So basically when someone hits this URL, this logic app will get triggered, right? So let's simply copy this and I will paste in Notepad. Now let's go back to our custom event grid topic, and now let's add this URL as a webhook. So let's click on this event subscription. Let's give name to this subscription. So I will say logic app subscription. Let's go down, and guys, can you see this endpoint? So from this let's select webhook. So again guys, this endpoint is nothing but handler, right? So we are adding subscription, and subscription is logic app subscription. But how event grid will come to know how to reach to this logic app subscription, right? So it can reach to this logic app subscription through this webhook. So again, we can have endpoint as Azure function as well, right? So as of now, let's select webhook, and here I will say configure endpoint, and then let's simply paste that logic app URL, and I will say confirm selection, and let's say create. And let's go down, and guys, can you see this under event subscription? We can see the subscription which we just created. So now when we publish event to this custom topic, this URL will get called, right? That is this webhook URL, and ultimately this logic app will get executed, right? So now we want to publish the events to this custom topic, and how to publish it? So guys, this is official Microsoft documentation, and using this we can publish events to our custom topic. So let's go down, and basically here you see we can provide the required schema, that is we can provide the contents of our event which we want to publish. See, again, these are the contents. Okay, now here we have to simply launch the Cloud Shell from Azure portal, and then we can pass on this information, and then we can execute this command to PowerShell, and this will publish the event to our custom topic, right? So, and here we need to provide the resource group name and then our topic name, right? So guys, I have copied this command in Notepad, and I have simply updated my resource group name and topic name, and then in this event body you can see that this attribute, that is data, and I am saying username is Harshal Jain and department is IT, right? So let's simply copy this, and guys, please follow mouse. Let's start this Cloud Shell. Let's wait. Okay, so we are connected through Cloud Shell, and now let's paste that command, and let's say enter. And guys, can you see it says status code 200? That means our event must have been published to this custom topic, right? And let's cross check. So let's open our logic app. Let's collapse this, and under run history, and now let's click on run history, and yes, it shows successful. So immediately when we published our event to our custom topic, this logic app got executed. That means that webhook, that means that URL, it got executed. So let's open this run history. Let's open this. And guys, can you see this body and observe this data? And it says department IT and username Harshal Jain. And this is the exact information we specified in our event, right? So basically that's it guys. And now further you can parse this JSON. So maybe in this logic app you can add an action that is parse JSON. Then you can retrieve this department and username from this body, and maybe you can store it in your SQL database. So for that also you can add additional action to save in SQL database. So that's it guys. Thanks for listening.